Today we're going to show you how to test for hard water at your car wash. Hard water is a bad thing in car washing. Hard water works against your pre-soaks and other chemicals. Ultimately, it takes more chemical to do the same job when you have hard water. So we're going to show you how to test for hard water and also what you can do to treat it. What I have in front of me here is a Hotch 5B hardness test kit. I've got a sample of soft and hard water. We're going to show you how to work through the process of testing each. Inside the test kit, you have titrant, reagent, a mixing chamber, and a test tube, and a scoop. First, we're going to start off with what soft water would look like upon initial testing. Take your test tube, fill it completely to the top with your known sample of water. Pour a sample into the mixing chamber. Now, utilizing the reagent, take 1 full scoop of reagent and pour into the mixing chamber. Now, upon addition of the reagent and slight swirling to mix, you can see that the water in there is a light violet or blue color, indicating that it is soft or at 1 or less grains of hardness. So what does this mean? It means that your softener is running properly and that your chemicals are working properly and you're not having to use too much. Now let's take a look at the other example. Following the same procedure, taking your test tube, filling it to the top with your sample, dump into the mixing chamber. Again, taking 1 full scoop, level to the top of the reagent. Dump that into your mixing chamber. And this time you can see that you have a pink color indicating that there is hardness in the water. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our titrant drop-wise to figure out exactly how many grains of hardness there are. In a car wash, it's acceptable to be operating at 2 grains or less with your pre-soaks. When you get over 2 grains, that's where you're really going to start seeing effects. Cars aren't going to come as clean, and it's going to take more chemical to do the same job. So drop-wise, we're going to add the titrant and swirl to mix. We're going to continue this process until we've added enough drops to turn the sample the light violet or blue color. Now you can see it's turned blue. It took 10 drops of titrant to turn that blue, indicating that there's 10 grains of hardness. At this point, you need to inspect your softener and understand what is not doing properly or if it needs to be manually regenerated. If you don't know how to do that, contact your local service agent or softener technician to come in and take a look at your equipment.